Today in this tutorial we are going to learn something on the SQL queries. So we are using the Oracle SQL developer and I am presenting some SQL queries with answer. So it will be really help all of you to improve your SQL skills, and these SQL queries are categorized into some parts. So in first part we have to discuss on some basic queries with answers, and the second part we have to discuss with the nested queries. Okay, so suppose there is a employee table, and that employee table we have to create. So what we have to write for this: table create table employee, then employee id int primary key. Okay, int primary key, then comma empname worker of, suppose I am giving 100 here, then is department worker of 50. Okay, next is contact contact number big big integer. Big int means big value. Big int. Next is contact number big int email worker. Okay, email id did worker of 100, then employee header id. This is int. Okay, let me run this query and it will create one table. So what is the error over here? It is very important to handle the errors. So invalid data type. So big int, maybe it is not working in the Oracle site. So we have to run this. Okay, table employee created. We had one employees table, but now we have created employee table. Okay, you can check this data. Data type is there. Worker 2 is there. Column IDs are there. Comments are null. So these are some data which showing over the SQL developer. Okay, so we have created one table which is called employee. Next, we will create another table. Create table employee dpt, employee department. So here dpt id worker of 50. Okay, dpt id worker of 50. This is primary key. Let me check how much time left. Okay, it is 4 minutes only, then we can continue. So this is primary key, dpt id worker of 50 primary key. Next is department name, it is worker of 100. Okay, next is dpt of worker of 100. What I will do, I will try to copy paste these queries so that you can run this in your system easily. Okay, next is I will copy this in the description section and you can download or you can copy paste from there. If you open the YouTube in the browser, you can do that. So now focus on this chapter. So department of worker of 100. Next is department head. Department head int foreign key. References foreign key references employee. Foreign key references employee. This is empid. Let me close this bracket. Okay, foreign foreign key forei forei gn foreign key. Okay, let me try to run this command and let's see if it is okay. Missing right parenthesis. Create table employee department id worker of 50 primary key. This is okay. Department name worker of 100. Department of worker of 100. Department head. Department head int foreign key. Foreign key references employee of employee id. Foreign key employee of employee id. Create table. Okay, maybe this is the issue. Let me check. If I hover here, what is it is showing? Inline constraint check, inline constraint not, inline constraint primary, inline constraint null, inline constraint unique, references clause. So okay, so what we have done, we have prepared one another query which is the create table employee department id worker 250 primary key. Use worker for Oracle, not worker. Worker 2 for Oracle. Okay. So department name worker 2 of 100. So for the primary key, we are using constant here. So constant department head int. Okay. Department head int comma then constant foreign key fk department head foreign key foreign key fk department head then foreign key department of head. So department of head will be the foreign key references employee of id and this table is created, employee dpt is created.